am writing a letter.
I am writing a letter.
She is studying.
She is studying.
He is playing tennis.
He is playing tennis.
They are working.
They are working.
We are learning.
We are learning.
It is raining.
It is raining.
You are reading.
You are reading.
She is teaching.
She is teaching.
She is traveling.
She is traveling.
They are building house.
They are building house.
I am practicing.
I am practicing.
She is preparing dinner.
She is preparing dinner.
He is playing video games.
He is playing video games.
We are watching a movie.
We are watching a movie.
I am enjoying the beautiful weather.
I am enjoying the beautiful weather.
He is helping his friend.
He is helping his friend.
They are celebrating their anniversary.
They are celebrating their anniversary.
We are exploring the city.
We are exploring the city.
I am feeling tired today.
I am feeling tired today.
She is writing a novel.
She is writing a novel.
He is designing.
He is designing.
They are performing a play.
They are performing a play.
We are swimming.
We are swimming.
I am thinking.
I am thinking.
She is learning how to cook.
She is learning how to cook.